This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Craig. New open kitchen, top floor, front row parking, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths condo with gorgeous water views from living dining, kitchen and master bedroom, new white kitchen cabinets, quartz counters, new stainless refrigerator, new electric range and new microwave, full-size washer and dryer in unit, screened balcony. Master has a walk-in closet and walk-in shower. Second bath has tub and shower combo. Assigned front row parking 17 to 10. Community swimming pool and amp, hot tub, fitness center and tennis, elevator, 1 assigned parking spot and guest parking plus car wash. Paved jogging path. Super Cypress Bend North location, close to Isles Casino, shops and restaurants, 15 minutes to the beach. Association requires 675 or higher credit score. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Craig at 954-294-5629.